Yes? Do you forget taking breathing on Sundays? Holidays? Half days? No? Okay. If you are sleeping and suddenly you had a bad dream, how your heartbeat will be? Fast or slow? Okay. Then if you had a very good sleep, then fast or slow? My dear friends, if it is slow, then you have to be care hospital. It is normal. So what to do with conscious and unconscious mind? See, the unconscious mind will control our body movements. So whatever we learn, we will remember. So whatever our body movements and all are controlled by our subconscious mind. Understood? Now, maybe, alright, sir, prove me. Yes? Okay. How many of you sleep in the night? Yeah. Don't sleep in the night? See, once I was doing the same program, everybody. Okay, once I was doing a program in Hyderabad and I asked this question and one person did not raise his hand. And I said, what? You don't sleep in the night? Then the persons around them said, sir, he is sleeping right now only, sir. So, all of you raise your left hand. Okay? Now, do it like this. So now you imagine as if you are sleeping and at midnight, 2 o'clock, 2 mosquitoes have come and are starting biting you. Then what do? You do it consciously or unconsciously? Unconsciously. Or you'll do like this. You'll get up. Mosquitoes are biting. Now I have to raise my conscious mind. Okay. Then I have to go, okay. In fifth class, there is a book, How to Kill a Mosquitoes. Then you will go and search for that book. Then you take the book and start searching the book. And suddenly you see that the lesson is not there. Then normally, if you don't find the lesson, what do? You search in a computer. Oh, you also use computers. How many of you use computers? Good. See, my name is Gautam. I am from Hyderabad. Normally, in Hyderabad, if people want to search for something, they use computers a lot. Like, if you ask them to find a path, they search path, Google. You know Google? Google search engine? Yes. So they search like this. If you want to find a path, Google. Auditorium? Google. Music concert? Google. PlayStation? Google. Railway station? Google. Mummy? Mummy also you find in Google? No. Right? Okay. The same way, how many of you know cycling? How many of you know cycling? Cycling? Okay. I'll give you 1 week time. You can forget cycling? I'll give you 1 year time. You can forget cycling? No? Why? You have practiced it and you have learned it. That's why you are not able to forget it. Yes? Now, I'll ask you one very simple question. All of you listen carefully. How many of you have completed your 5th standard? All of you? Okay, good. Now, my question is, what is the 5th lesson in English book and 4th answer? సార్ ఇలా ఆడితే నేను ముందే చెప్తున్నాను కదా, గోడ దుంకి పారిపోతారు. ముందే చెప్పారు క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగమని. అవునా? అవునా కదా? కానీ ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎంత? బట్ ఓకే, లాస్ట్ 1.5 year కింద మహేష్ బాబుది ఒక సినిమా వచ్చింది. ఏంటది? దూకుడు. తర్వాత బిజినెస్ మ్యాన్. ఆహా, ఏదో అర్థం బాగుంటుంది. బిజినెస్ మ్యాన్ లో హీరోయిన్ పేరేంటి? ఇది కూడా బాగా గుర్తుంది. అవునా? ఇది కూడా బాగా గుర్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు నేను క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను. వాట్ ఈస్ అశోక్ చక్రవర్తి సెకండ్ డాటర్ నేమ్? సార్ మీరు క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగమే అని చెప్పి మళ్ళీ ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ ఎందుకు అడిగారు సార్ అంటున్నారా? మనకు మూవీస్ ఇంపార్టెంటా, స్టడీస్ ఇంపార్టెంటా? మనం ఎక్కువ టైం స్టడీస్ మీద ఉంటుందా, మూవీస్ మీద ఉంటుందా? స్టడీస్. కానీ మనకు మూవీస్ ఎందుకు ఎక్కువ గుర్తుంటాయి? అవి ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, దెన్ స్టడీస్ కూడా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా చేసుకోవచ్చా? కానీ ఎందుకు గుర్తుండవంటే ఫర్ స్టడీస్ వి యూజ్ అవర్ కాన్షియస్ బ్రెయిన్. For studies we use our conscious brain. That's why we remember only 10% of it. How many of you want to remember only 10% of it? How many of you want to remember 100%? Okay. Now, sir, this is understood, sir. So if we are reading, it goes into our conscious brain. So how to fill this in the subconscious mind? Yes? If I give you this pass and say that after 1 week I'll come to your house and take it, and you kept in the veranda of your house, okay, does this paper will be there after 1 week? No. In the same way, if I say I'll come after 1 year, and if you give me this pass, I'll give you 1 crore rupees. Then where do you put this? Almari, bank, yes? ATM. You give it in the ATM. Purse, pocket, yes. See, your conscious mind is like your veranda, and your subconscious mind is like your locker. Now, how to feed this? Now, how to feed this subconscious mind? You said if our studies goes into our subconscious mind, we will remember for long time. Yes? Now, how to feed our subconscious mind? Let's see. Suppose you joined a school, and the first day, principal will come and say, we'll give you the books. Yes, thanks. They'll give you the books and say that from today onwards, there are no teachers in this class. Very nice, right? But you have to write your exams in the month of March. Then how do you do this? You intelligent. They give you books, but you have to write your exams in the month of March. Then how do you do it? You open the books and say blah 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 blah. You just start reading it. But when you read, it goes only 10% of it. When you read, it goes only 10%. There's a different method. By doing that, it goes double this. Do you want to know? Shall I continue or stop? Yes, my dear friend. There is another method. If you use this, it goes twice as fast as it. That is, when you listen, it goes 20%. That is 2 times faster. Now, sir, how to prove it, sir? You want an example for everything, right? See, if you do 2 things at the same time. I've seen one friend's daughter. She was reading for her exams, and in the FM radio, one very popular song was coming, Mahesh Babu's song. What is that song? Star. Correct. Okay? So, she was reading the book and she was listening that song. Okay. She was reading and listening the song.